Hey, welcome to today's Daily Dose. Let's dig into it. I happen to have my good friend Otis McGregor here today, up here in the mountains in Colorado. And today we're going to talk about leadership in today's environment. Okay. I mean, we could probably talk about this for hours, but we'll try to keep it to a couple minutes. But, you know, look at leadership today versus leadership of, you know, the guys that stormed the beaches in Normandy.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Is that look at that difference,
Yeah.
right? Or, you know, two guys on a bicycle and the guy in the 60s on a Harley, right? Now, I'm not going to get this into all the gender stuff and yada yada yada, but the point is leadership is changed in a very drastic way. And in my opinion, we're doing a very poor job of bringing up new leadership and showing them how to lead. They're more managers, and to manage and lead are two very different things. What's your thoughts on that?
Well, I agree, but also a great leader is a great manager too, because that skill set transfers across it all. And when we talk the term manager, that gets thrown into this risk averse and no vision. Great leaders are great managers, bottom line. Everybody else is just holding a position title. And I'll tell you, I agree with you in the delivery sense of leadership. The foundation, the fundamentals of leadership have been the same since some dude became the leader of the cave, 20, 50,000 years ago. Leadership is leadership. He had a vision. Let's do this. Let's figure out how to cook our food. Convinced everybody else in the tribe. How do we cook our food? We should really work to figure out how to cook our food. Let's have that vision to create fire. I mean, I'm being a little facetious here, but that's the foundation of leadership. The trick is, the thing that I think is lost, and this is what you're hitting on, is it was acceptable to just tell people what to do years ago.
Right.
That was just, and truthfully, that's not good leadership anyways. But that was acceptable.
Yeah.
Now, we want people who are smart on our team that won't accept that. Why do I have to do it this way? And I think I'll throw that back at you, because that's the real secret to it. I think that's the secret sauce.
Well, it comes down to this, right? I mean, the military's been teaching leadership for, I don't know, a couple hundred years, right? Mm-hmm. So you look at that, and they really have three key things. You provide purpose, direction, and motivation, right? And if you do those three things, you're gonna pretty close to hit the mark, no matter what, right? Because what do people want? They want a purpose, then they want direction, and then you got to motivate them to get the job done to the standard that you want it done. And if it doesn't happen, then you counsel, mentor, teach, coach, do all those things. So, this shit isn't rocket science, really, right? I mean, it's not.
No.
Not at all. So, anyway, unless you got any last words there?
No, I think you hit the nail on the head. That's good closing that one out.
Awesome. All right, so I hope that was helpful for you today on the Daily Dose. Smash that like button below if you thought it was helpful. You can get a hold of Otis at Tribe and Purpose, or me at Strategic Advisor Board. If you're looking for that leadership training, go talk to Otis. You want to learn how to scale, come talk to me. All right, so again, we'll see you on tomorrow's episode of The Dose. And remember, you can always go dream it, believe it, go achieve it.